A little boy with tousled brown hair peeks out from behind his mother's legs. He watches intently as the chef in the next booth prepares his food. But this is no ordinary restaurant. This is a magical place where tiny, realistic people work together to create delicious dishes for their giant human customers. And today, they are making an extra special burger. Behind the counter, a team of miniature builders are hard at work constructing a giant, juicy cheeseburger. Each one has a specific task. Some are flipping a massive beef patty on a sizzling skillet using tiny spatulas. Others are scaling the towering walls of a lettuce leaf like intrepid jungle explorers. And in the center, a team of 3 are carefully piping ketchup and mustard using metal tubes like construction workers laying concrete for a new skyscraper. The meticulous attention to detail is astounding. The chef carefully spreads a layer of mayonnaise on the bottom bun, which is the size of a house. It looks like soft, fluffy bread, but with sesame seeds the size of boulders. As he works, his assistant chops up a small onion, his knife as sharp as a shard of glass, his movements as precise and delicate as a surgeon's. At the stove, the spatula wielders are having a tough time. The burger meat is so large that only one side can fit in the pan at once. So they take turns flipping it, each one gripping the spatula with 2 hands, straining with all their might. In the distance, we can see the grill master using a tiny fork and knife to carve up a giant pickle, its skin glistening like a green jewel in the soft morning light. On the other side of the counter, a tiny woman carefully assembles the burger, placing a single slice of cheese on the burger meat with such precision that it looks like it could be the center of a Renaissance painting. Another woman stands back, admiring their work, her arms crossed, a satisfied smile on her face. She looks like a seasoned general after a hard-fought battle. Nearby, a man in a chef's hat arranges rows of burgers on a cooling rack, each one a masterpiece, a testament to the skill and dedication of these tiny workers. The boy in the booth can barely contain his excitement. His eyes are wide with wonder as he watches them work. His mouth waters in anticipation of the delicious meal they are preparing for him. The camera pans out, revealing the full scope of this magical kitchen. In the foreground, we can see the scattered remains of their work: half-chopped onions, discarded paper towels, empty condiment bottles. In the background, a window, light streaming in from the outside world, hinting at the beauty that lies beyond the walls of this enchanting place. This is more than just a burger joint. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible, and dreams are made one delicious bite at a time. The boy finishes his meal, his heart and stomach full. As he leaves the restaurant, he takes a final look around. He knows that he will never forget this magical place or the tiny people who made his day. I hope you enjoyed this whimsical tale of miniature people hard at work creating a giant burger for their customer. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.